It's a nightly ritual for millions, settling in, hitting play on a favorite show, and instantly, a cinematic world unfolds in crisp, high-definition glory. No glitches, no pauses, no frustrating buffering. But how does Netflix, a single company, manage to deliver massive, high-quality video files to billions of screens around the world, across wildly different internet connections, without constant interruptions? What's their secret to this seamless digital magic? It's a symphony of incredibly advanced technology, clever compression, a global network of digital outposts, and algorithms so smart they practically predict your next click. Welcome to the Smart Side, the channel where we unravel the ingenious science and hidden processes behind the everyday. Today we're pulling back the digital curtain to reveal the astonishing engineering that makes your Netflix binge a perfectly smooth ride. The first challenge for any streaming service is the sheer size of high-quality video. A single movie in 4K resolution can be hundreds of gigabytes, far too large to stream reliably. So, Netflix's first line of defense are the compression magicians, known as codecs. Think of a video file as a giant, incredibly detailed book. Codecs are like super intelligent editors. They analyze every frame, meticulously removing redundant information. For example, if a background is completely still for several seconds, the codec doesn't re-record every single pixel for every single frame. It just says, keep the background the same for this long. It might also analyze how the human eye perceives detail, prioritizing areas of motion over static backgrounds. These are the unsung heroes like H.264, VP9, and the newer AV1. This incredible process can shrink video files by up to 90% or more, all while maintaining astonishing visual quality. This is the first critical step, making the giant movie file manageable enough to travel across the internet. This is the absolute secret sauce, the core reason why Netflix rarely buffers: adaptive bitrate streaming, or ABR. Netflix doesn't just send you one version of a movie, it encodes every single film and show into dozens of different quality versions, from crystal clear 4K down to basic standard definition. Think of it as a set of digital identical twins, each with a different level of detail. Now, here's where your device and Netflix work together. As you watch, the Netflix player on your TV, phone, or laptop is constantly, every few seconds, monitoring your actual internet connection speed. If your Wi-Fi suddenly slows down, or your neighbor starts downloading a huge file, your Netflix player seamlessly and instantly switches to a slightly lower quality version. It sacrifices a tiny bit of visual fidelity to keep the show playing without interruption. If your internet speeds up again, it smoothly transitions back to a higher quality. This dynamic dance happens entirely in the background, almost imperceptibly, ensuring you get the highest quality possible at that exact moment without the dreaded buffering wheel. Think of Netflix preparing multiple versions of a meal: gourmet, standard, and basic. Your internet connection tells it which version you can actually handle at any given moment. Even with brilliant compression and adaptive streaming, there's another massive hurdle: physical distance. Sending a movie from a central server across an ocean takes time. That's why Netflix built a colossal global network of digital outposts. This network is called a Content Delivery Network, or CDN. But Netflix takes it a step further with its custom-built Open Connect appliances, or OCAs. These aren't just big servers, they're Netflix's own custom-designed storage systems. Netflix actually places these OCAs, packed with copies of its most popular movies and shows, directly inside the data centers of your local internet service provider companies like Comcast, AT&T, or Vodafone. So, when you hit play, your request doesn't travel to some distant server across the continent. Instead, it travels a short distance directly to the Netflix OCA sitting right within your local internet provider's network. This dramatically reduces the physical distance the data has to travel, eliminating bottlenecks and ensuring lightning-fast delivery. Your show is practically waiting for you just down the digital street. And finally, there's a layer of digital intelligence that feels almost like mind reading. Netflix's algorithms are not just about delivery, they're about prediction. Based on your viewing habits, what you watch, how long you watch, what you skip, what you search for, even what time of day you watch. Netflix's incredibly sophisticated algorithms build a detailed profile of your preferences. They use this not just to recommend new shows, but to anticipate what you might watch next. In some cases, especially on smart TVs or set-top boxes, Netflix might even start preloading a few seconds of a show it predicts you're about to click on, even before you've made your decision. This means, when you do finally hit play, that first instant of video is already loaded and ready to go, making the experience feel even more instantaneous. It's like a digital concierge, preparing your entertainment before you even ask. So, the next time you settle in for a seamless Netflix binge, remember the invisible symphony at play. It's a marvel of clever compression, dynamically adapting to your internet speed, delivered from local outposts just down the digital street, and sometimes even preloaded by algorithms that know your viewing habits almost better than you do. This isn't magic. It's the ingenious science of uninterrupted entertainment, powering billions of hours of high-quality streaming every single day. Were you surprised by the incredible engineering behind your smooth Netflix experience? What other streaming secrets or digital marvels do you want us to unravel on the smart side? Share your thoughts and curious questions in the comments below. If you found this explanation enlightening, smash that like button to support more smart content. Share it with a friend who's always asking, how does Netflix do it? And make sure to subscribe to the Smart Side for more mind-blowing discoveries. Stay smart and happy streaming.